We have the Ronnie Fieg Oasis pack, ASICS Gel Kayano 5 right here. Let's get into the shoe. So you have the generic Kayano 5 model on this shoe, but the colors are really cool. Yeah, so let's start with this side out here. So you have the ASICS logo right here, embroidered red with white stitching throughout the logo area, as well as here, and a little bit of yellow. These gray parts right here is 3M, as well as the ASICS logo up here, the tabs on the tongue, and this gray area around the toe, all 3M. Basically anything you see that's gray is going to be 3M reflective. Ronnie Fieg 3M here as well. Yellow right here. The tongue is a suede, a light blue suede material, embroidered ASICS logo right here. Only comes with white laces. There are no other extra laces for this shoe. Here's the back. Another ASICS logo with this ASICS gel thing on it. Dual Max in light blue. This part here is like a white, yeah, it's a white colorway as well. Yeah, I think this shoe is pretty cool. The color is really the best part about it. You have like different shades of common colors, like you have like burgundy, a light blue, yellow, this dark blue here. Other pair is the same thing. It comes with this little thing right here, do not eat, and a gel ASICS thingy. Retailed for $165, available at Kith stores and online, but online is sold out right now. So your best bet is either to go to the Kith store, or like you could get it online through other resale sites. The toe area is right here. Recommend going true to size for this one. But you could go half size up. It'll just be a little bit more spacious, but the laces can make it feel more secure. The box, ASICS gel. Nothing too special on the box. And here's the tags. Pretty basic. But yeah, the best part is the color of this shoe. I love the coloring. I really love this design.